As you come into the pit, you're driving up to the guy who's stopping the car on the tarp. Immediately coming over is a drink with a big thick straw and a cloth to wipe the face shield. When you get into the pit, put it into park and do not shut off the engine. This is your chance to go ahead and get something to drink or eat. This is all you can do, is like a goo pack. I'm watching in the mirror to make sure that the guys are putting the fuel in. Everyone else is checking the car. You can't turn your head very much with the neck brace on, so you've got to really, if anybody comes up, they have to be in the front. I'll jiggle the wheel to make sure the guys can check the steering, and again, I'm looking in the other mirror for as much as I can to see how everybody's doing on the car. Looks like everybody's stepping away. I'm going to chuck my water. I've wiped everything down, put it back in gear, and I'm ready to go.
Tony, that's the coolest trick I've ever seen you do. Look, landed the right side up.